after attorneys for Ken Paxton insinuated that the office of the Attorney General attempted to stage a coup back in 2020 by reporting Paxton to federal authorities. Now, a new witness on the stand says it wasn't the staff staging a coup, but Paxton, who strayed from protecting the public interest and following the Texas Constitution.
It was not a mutiny.
Over the last 2 days, Ken Paxton's attorneys have pushed back against the narrative put forward by the House prosecutors with a number of counterpoints, including an alleged coup inside the office of the Attorney General.
What would be your response to the suggestion that you folks were sitting around there cooking up a mutiny against the Attorney General of the state of Texas?
That would make no sense to me. We were trying to protect the Attorney General as much as we could.
Ryan Bangert, the former Deputy First Attorney General, on the stand on Thursday, describing the conditions that led him and his colleagues to report Ken Paxton to the FBI in the fall of 2020, just like Jeff Mateer did the day before.
As a staffer, you have fidelity to the Constitution and fidelity to your principal. Those two things should always align. Unfortunately, over the previous 9 months, they have been drifting further and further apart.
But seeming to latch onto the narrative that former staffers wanted to get rid of Paxton, defense attorney Anthony Osso too criticized how quickly they went to the feds instead of Paxton.
Mr. Bangert, it is a yes or no question, and I want a yes or no answer. Did you tell Ken Paxton that you were going to the FBI?
I did not tell Ken Paxton before I went to the FBI.
Notably, too, Bangert's perspective on the issuance of a last-minute opinion letter from Paxton's office, allegedly to benefit Nate Paul.
The power of our office had been fully, at that point, harnessed to advance Nate Paul's interests,
including the first mention of Senator Brian Hughes' role in requesting that opinion, allegedly unknowingly. Hughes on the floor listening stoically and taking notes. Notably, according to the Senate trial rules, each side has 24 hours, cumulatively speaking, to lay out their case, and that includes examining witnesses. And both sides have already spent several hours each just examining these two former staffers from Paxton's office. From inside the Texas State Capitol, I'm Michael Atkinson reporting.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.